I'm saying, Cremonidi, I can crucifix. I don't have my time, so I see some great personalities here. It's Kennedy. I want to put the Japan here, please. Please give me a wave. Daddy, I feel you pass. Like, you know, they feel anybody. But one problem I have is, Daddy, in your government, comedians are not getting jokes.
Yes.
It's like another was taking the government so best now, and like his father's like, Daddy, it's not easy. Those days we were getting jokes. Meet the press. You ask Nana, simple question, the president. Mr. President, please, how are you fighting Galamsey in your government? Thank you for the question. The manipulation of the GDP evaporation, which are mobilizing into the evaporation.
Bravo! Oh, yeah.
Then he said, have I answered your question? You see, journalist. You asked journalist, what did the Kufa do? They said, Charlie, the might be deep. And our former president, Mama, oh, it was great. He was giving us confidence a lot. You ask him, simple question, Mr. President, Mama, please, how are you fighting Galamsey? Say, thank you for the president. Now, can I see your hands in the air? When I say Galamsey, say no about it. That should be the speech. You can't do anything. Mr. President, please, how are you fighting Galamsey? Thank you for the president. Ghana, you are fighting. After 3 hours, let me summarize. But I love Papa J. I love Papa J. You know, Papa J can never answer any question without bringing the days of revolution. When he was fighting for the economy, the country. Papa J, please, how are you fighting Galamsey? Thank you for the question. In the days of the revolution, when I was fighting corruption, that was when I met my wife, and I boom, boom, boom. Obisi obi food ya ban ye piano na so Ghana there obi food ya ban ye kitadia dey gina ho na ye the one two abaya said your passport I should say Papa you not answer. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your